Greetings and a warm welcome to our channel. We're excited to have you join us on a fascinating journey today. In this video, we'll be exploring the ins and outs of starting a YouTube automation channel that can potentially earn you up to $500,000 in just 90 days. If you're eager to learn how to automate your YouTube channel and generate a substantial income, then you're in the right place. We'll be providing you with a detailed, step-by-step guide that will answer all your questions and help you achieve your goals. Are you aware that with just a $250 investment in a single YouTube video, you could potentially earn a staggering $20,000 in return? Yes, you read that right. This isn't a made-up story, but rather a real-life example of the possibilities that exist on YouTube. The success story belongs to none other than Noah Morris, a YouTube automation expert who managed to earn a seven-figure income within a year. Noah operates more than 20 YouTube channels without showing his face and generates revenue in hundreds of thousands of dollars, all while working just one day a week. If you're intrigued by Noah's remarkable achievement and interested in automating your YouTube channel to earn a substantial income, you're in luck. We've interviewed Noah to give you an exclusive insight into the world of automation. This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to embark on your YouTube automation journey and start earning big bucks. What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a process that involves delegating the daily tasks required to run one or more YouTube channels to a team of people or a combination of human creativity and artificial intelligence. These tasks may include designing thumbnails, scripting videos, editing, and creating voiceovers. AI tools are becoming increasingly popular for these creative tasks, and there are many options in the market to choose from. The cost of starting a YouTube automation business varies depending on the number of channels involved, the topics they cover, and the level of consistency on YouTube. According to Noah, a creator who has successfully automated their channel, it took him about 12 videos at an average cost of $100 per video to break even. For beginners, it may take around 35 videos and an investment of $3,000 to $3,500 to start seeing returns from automated content. The amount of money that can be made from YouTube automation is not fixed and varies depending on multiple factors. However, if we're talking about the highest payout possible, it's well over $100,000. Noah, for instance, made twice that amount in 1 month with his automated channels. He earned around $200,000 in YouTube AdSense revenue in November 2022 and made $500,000 with automated content in just 90 days. If you're interested in starting your own YouTube automation business and want to create a faceless channel, Noah suggests targeting a high-paying niche on YouTube. Certain niches tend to be more valuable and bring in more revenue, such as sports, celebrities, and crime-related content. Noah advises creators to target American viewers as they live in a bigger market and advertisers pay more to capture their attention. The next step is to find a gap in the YouTube market. You can't compete with the best channels until you know what they are, what they do, and where you fit in. It's essential to figure out how to niche down so that you're not targeting broad, oversaturated topics that are hard to break into. To speed up the process, Noah suggests switching to incognito mode on your browser and searching for your niche on YouTube. Look for videos with high views that belong to small channels. These channels may have just been created and may be automated. If you can only find a few channels with high views and low subscribers in your niche, you may have identified a content gap on YouTube. Creating similar videos will help you stand out and grow your channel. If you're planning to start a faceless channel on YouTube, it's vital to know that it's just as competitive, if not more, than starting a regular channel. Therefore, you need to learn how creators make automated content that feels fresh and entertaining to viewers. You should also know how and why those videos get millions of views. To succeed on YouTube, the best plan of action is to study the competition in your niche. Take your time to watch their popular videos and analyze what makes them successful. You may find that some of the elements that contribute to their success include good storylines, emotional appeal, or superb editing. If that's the case, try to emulate all of that goodness within your content. Another way to stand out and diversify your content is by asking yourself, which topics are missing from the conversation? You can answer this question by looking at channels in your niche that aren't directly competing with your videos. If their content is related to yours and has performed well, try those concepts on your channel too. According to Noah, a famous YouTuber, creating topics based on data and what did well in the past is more effective than relying on your feelings to create content. Once you've found a lucrative niche and some video topics, it's time to build your team. To run a YouTube automation channel successfully, you need about 4 people, including a voiceover artist, video editor, thumbnail designer, and scriptwriter. When looking for scriptwriters, Noah suggests hiring someone who is passionate and knowledgeable about your niche. After all, they're building the framework of your YouTube videos, and you want them to be good. For voiceovers, you don't necessarily need a human. You can generate AI voiceovers using tools like Speechify and Lovo AI. According to Noah, finding a good thumbnail designer and video editor are the hardest parts of YouTube automation. An editor who spruces up videos specifically to hold viewers' attention is the best person for the job. Likewise, a thumbnail designer who provides a simple, attractive, and emotional snapshot of your content is a fantastic choice. If you're struggling to find the right team, you can find both creatives, including scriptwriters, on ytjobs.com. As a YouTube creator, it's important to keep improving your videos even if you are using automation. While automation can make your work easier, you still need to put in the effort to understand your audience and create engaging content that will attract more viewers and subscribers. To help you achieve this, Noah, an expert in YouTube automation, has shared some tips to guide you. Firstly, you should look at the most replayed scenes from your previous videos and incorporate them into future content. This will help you understand what your audience likes and what you can do to keep them interested. Additionally, it's essential to check the comments section to see what people are saying about your videos. This feedback will help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement. It's also crucial to check your YouTube analytics regularly to see which content is attracting the most views, subscribers, and watch time. This information will help you adjust your content strategy and focus on creating videos that are more engaging and valuable to your audience. However, it's worth noting that YouTube does not reward repetitive, low educational content. While automation can be helpful, you need to create original and engaging content that has a storyline. If you're automating a channel using repetitive sounds or visuals, there's a strong chance you won't get monetized. To help you automate your channel faster, you can use an AI content generator for YouTube. This tool will provide you with an entire content plan, including video titles, descriptions, keywords, scripts, thumbnail backgrounds, and voiceovers. With the AI content generator, you can generate unique and engaging content that your viewers will love. Firstly, you should look at the most replayed scenes from your previous videos and incorporate them into future content. This will help you understand what your audience likes and what you can do to keep them interested. Additionally, it's essential to check the comments section to see what people are saying about your videos. This feedback will help you identify your strengths and areas for improvement. It's also crucial to check your YouTube analytics regularly to see which content is attracting the most views, subscribers, and watch time. This information will help you adjust your content strategy and focus on creating videos that are more engaging and valuable to your audience. However, it's worth noting that YouTube does not reward repetitive, low educational content. While automation can be helpful, you need to create original and engaging content that has a storyline. If you're automating a channel using repetitive sounds or visuals, there's a strong chance you won't get monetized. To help you automate your channel faster, you can use an AI content generator for YouTube. This tool will provide you with an entire content plan, including video titles, descriptions, keywords, scripts, thumbnail backgrounds, and voiceovers. With the AI content generator, you can generate unique and engaging content that your viewers will love. And there you have it, folks. You've just unlocked the secrets to launching your very own YouTube automation empire. From identifying lucrative niches to assembling your dream team and crafting engaging content, you now have the tools to turn your YouTube dreams into a reality. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, creativity, and a whole lot of hustle. So roll up your sleeves, dive into the world of YouTube automation, and watch your channel soar to new heights. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for additional resources and tools to supercharge your automation journey. And hey, while you're at it, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your fellow aspiring YouTubers. Together, let's make waves in the world of online content creation. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, happy automating.